Compact and mid-size SUVs rule the roost in the Indian car market today. I'm sure that doesn't surprise you. Of course, because compact SUVs by nature are spacious, feature-packed, extremely practical and stylish. And speaking of style, here's a tire that was designed by an Italian design house. How cool is that? A stylish tire for your stylish compact SUV. Why hasn't anyone thought of that before? Alright, I know what you're thinking. Style isn't your highest priority when choosing tires. What is safety, grip, control and dependability. So, are the new CH Secura Drive tires the absolute best you can have? A truly impressive set of tires need to offer you superior control at all speeds, and this is exactly why, after the success of the Secura Drive tires for sedans, CEAT has launched the Secura Drive SUV range specifically for the compact SUV segment. And to find out if it's exactly what you've been waiting for, we've come to a test track to put it through a set of serious challenges. A modern compact SUV may have car-like dynamics, but I assure you, you're not going anywhere, at least nowhere where you want to go without the right set of tires. So the first test we'll do, will test the traction and grip of these tires. Hop in. Alright, now with this wet track, driving is a big challenge. Or should I say, it would have been a big challenge because the Secura Drive just has tremendous grip on offer. Thanks to the connected shoulder blocks and industry-first 3D groove wall technology, these tires work brilliantly in corners and have just the right amount of stickiness. Credit, especially in these wet conditions, also goes to the Fluiding Sipe design, which helps immensely in water channeling. Alright, talk to you guys later. This is just way too much fun. After that fun test, we moved on to one that can be a lifesaver, the lane change test. Your SUV's ability to rapidly switch lanes in an emergency situation can save you a lot of trouble. And here's how our Seltos, shod with CH Secura Drive SUV tires, performed. The Seltos felt so confident doing those lane changes even at 60 kph, and while that's commendable, we're not quite done yet. The most important thing that your SUV needs to do for the sake of your family is being able to stop when you want it to, in complete control, no matter what the road conditions may be. Let's see how the next test goes. Be it from 60, 80 or even 100 km per hour, the Seltos managed to stop in an incredibly short distance without losing composure. It's this kind of tyre performance that gives you the confidence and the peace of mind to set off on long drives, even on challenging terrain or in adverse wet conditions, knowing you are always in absolute control. And hey, speaking of long drives, why don't we set out on one and see how these tyres perform on our highways? As we snaked up the beautiful mountain road in the Seltos, the drive was a serene one, with the tires allowing us to indulge in some enthusiastic driving with the assurance of absolute safety. Hey, why can't all drives be just like this one? Wow, the Seltos was always a nice car to drive, but the CH Secura Drive tires have only made it that much more appealing. It's not only about individual aspects such as how these tires improve handling and braking, but also about how it all comes together in making your drive a truly safe, enjoyable and memorable one. And hey, isn't that exactly why you bought yourself a compact SUV?